my drone. Now guys, hopefully it's never going to happen to you, but sometimes you do need to know what to do if something does happen. Now I'm going to put you through a scenario where I'm flying the drone, and for some reason maybe I've only got 10 seconds or whatever, and I've had to force land the drone. I've not really got any idea of the bearing, so I'm going to take you through the procedure on what you need to do, guys. So at the moment, the drone, I've made the drone land, and we're just going to go through on the screen here what you do. Now it'd be the same whatever controller you've got, be it the Mini 2, the Mini 3 Pro, and the controllers. I've got the RC screen, but you're going to get the same sort of thing on there. So I've force landed it. I want to find my drone. So the first thing I want to do is go into profile. There it is. So you've got the picture of the drone that you've supposedly lost. You go into profile, and then you got find my drone. Now if you notice where the red arrow is where the drone is, and it's showing me whereabouts I am. I can start flashing it. I can use other maps if I want. So if you got your phone with you, because obviously I've got my RC screen with me, I can hot point, put on the maps there at the moment. But we're going to use what's on the screen itself. And what we're going to do now, you can enlarge it. And we're just going to go off and see if we can find my drone. On the blue dot, already I'm going the wrong way. Well, am I going the wrong way? I don't think I am. I think I'm going in the right direction. Now, I'll be honest, guys. I ain't got a clue where it is. But I'm going in the right direction. So at the moment, I've got me flashing and bleeping sound, and I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear it? Can you see it? I can see it now. Now obviously I haven't gone that far, but I'll be honest, guys, it's the same sort of thing. Obviously the landscape here is a little bit rough. I've got my sandals on. Oh, I haven't got my walking boots on. Auto off. So as you can see, I'm getting close. The little blue dot's getting closer and closer. And I've landed on top of some weeds there. I'm going to stop the flashing. Okay, it's saying it's not connected. What it's done, it's turned itself off. It's auto shut itself down, which is good. So we can come out of that. That was just a quick demo, really, what you can do. So remember, guys, your drone's landed, which is at the moment. You go up to the top left where the little arrow is. You click on that. At the bottom there, you got profile. You go on the profile. It says find my drone. So you just click on that. It will go straight there. Now, if I make that smaller, obviously it will show you the map. But obviously you want to enlarge the map to get some idea where you are. Now obviously at the moment I'm right on top of the drone, so it's not going to mark where I am. I can press, so I'll just press stop. You can hear it quite loud, and I'll just stop that. Right, okay, I don't know why it's put a pin there, God knows. So we'll just try a couple things. Satellite, Now don't forget, I'm not, obviously because this is an Android machine, I'm not connected to the internet at all, but like I said before, you can, if you've got your phone on you that's got a hotspot, you can connect your phone with you as well. I always advise people to go out, well, before they go out, obviously, if you're going to plan your day, have your maps on there. So what you do, I've done a video of it, I'll put a link there, or I'll put a thumbnail of the video so you can check it out as well, and that'll give you another idea. I mean, obviously the more you zoom out, there's no chance you got it, so you got to zoom right in, and there's no point in being on the satellite, so you just go back to standard, and there it is. Obviously you can do the north. Obviously another thing you can see at the top there, top right, is telling you how much power is left in the battery. Now that's the other thing, guys. If you lose your drone, then you've got a good chance of finding it with the bleep, you know, with the sound and that. But obviously once that battery runs out, then that goes off. So then you've got to start looking on your map, and you should be able to bring up your video that you was doing. So we're just going to check out on that as well. To go into the album now today, so that's the footage that I've done today. This will give you some idea, obviously the lay of the ground. You can see the road there to the right. So that's another aid that obviously you can use as well, and that's, to be honest, that's the aid that I used years ago when I lost my Phantom 3 Advanced. I lost complete signal, so even on the map wasn't showing where it was, but I could look at the lay of the land, as they say, on the video, and I could work out the direction. And unfortunately I had to wait another day, and I found it. So that's another way you can do it, by checking out the video that you got. So it's another good thing, guys. You know, make sure you do a video of your flying, but it would keep it on here. Obviously it's a low reg, but it gives you a good idea. Now if you notice, it's coming, you can see the car on the top right there. I'm coming back, so it gives you a rough idea. So hopefully that's giving you some ideas, guys. If you got any tips, fantastic. I'd love to hear from it. But this is the simplest way of finding your drone, because it happens, unfortunately, but it doesn't happen a lot. So anyway, as always, if you find it interesting, get a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, get the thumbs down. As always, I'll catch you in another video. And yeah, fly safe, and fingers crossed it never happens.